Hello and welcome to another tutorial. In this video we are going to talk about accurate drawing and constructions. The first thing that I start with is bisecting a straight line. If we have a straight line like this, how can we bisect it into two equal parts? For this purpose we need to use compass. Then we're going to place the needle on the end of the line, and then we mark an arc, and the compass should be open more than half. Then with the same size, with the same width of the compass, we can mark another arc from the other end of the line, and then where the two arcs cross is the middle of the line. By joining these two crosses, we will get a perfect bisection of this line, as you see. Now if we join it, now this red line bisects the first black line into two equal parts using compass and ruler. Another common type of question is when we have an angle and we want to bisect it. That will be like this. So any angle, a random one. Let's say this is one side of the angle, and here is the other one. Here is the other one. Now we have an angle right here. Now how can we bisect this angle? Well, to do this, again we need compass. Place the needle on the center of the angle, and then mark an arc crossing both lines of the angle. Then from each intersection we're gonna mark another arc, as you see, and from this intersection another arc. So where these two new arcs cross is the point that helps us to bisect this angle by joining the center of the angle to this point of intersection, as you see. Now join them. So now we bisected the angle into two equal parts. It means this angle here is equal to this one because we bisected using compass. Now we're going to draw a triangle which is 4 by 5. If roughly I do it, it's like this: right angle triangle, 4 by 5. A right angle triangle, 4 by 5. Now if we want to construct this triangle, which is right angle triangle, this height is 4 and the base is 5. We don't know how long is the hypotenuse. How can we construct something like this? To draw triangles, we always start with the base. The base is the most important part to construct any triangle. The base is 5 centimeters. So from 0 to 5 we have a straight line. Yeah, this is 5 centimeters. And then since it's a right angle triangle, we can use protractor to mark the 90-degree angle, or we can use the triangular ruler. These two tools, they both can give us a perfect right angle. So by marking this point here, I know the right angle. If I join this end of the line to this dot, I will have a right angle. Or if you don't have access to protractor, in some certain cases, you can use the triangular ruler. The triangular ruler always can give you a perfect 90-degree angle. As you see, this edge here is 90 degrees. So both are useful for this case. Either a triangular ruler that gives a perfect 90-degree angle, or a protractor. They both fine, they both work perfect. Now if I use protractor, the 90-degree angle is right here, because we want to construct as the question wants. Then in the question, the 90-degree angle is on the side, so here we need to mark a 90-degree angle on the same side as it's given in the question. Then starting from 0, we're going to mark an angle exactly 4 centimeters. There you go. Now we got two sides perfect. This is 90 degrees. By just joining this end to here, we will get the triangle. There we go. Now this triangle is a perfect copy of this one. Here is 5 centimeters and here 4 centimeters. So you're going to use this method for drawing right angled triangles while we know two sides. We can also use compass if we know all the three sides. Now if we have another triangle, a scalene triangle like this, a scalene triangle, let's say the side is 7, the side is 5, and the side is 3. Let's draw this accurately. We need to use compass and ruler, but as I told you, the first thing that we're gonna draw is the base, which is 5 centimeters. That's how it looks from 0 to 5. This is a little bit more than 5. Now it's 5, and then it's the perfect time to use compass. Now we need to open the compass 3 centimeters as we need to open the compass 3 centimeters, this 3, and here is 3, this is 3. Now place the needle here and mark an arc 3 centimeters. Now to do the other one, we're gonna open the compass 7 centimeters. To open the compass 7 centimeters, again place the needle on the 0 and open the compass 7 centimeters as you see. Now it's from 0 to 7, yes. Place the needle here and mark another arc. Where the arcs cross is this point, which is the most important one. Now by joining the two ends of the line to the cross, we'll construct the perfect copy of the triangle given in the question. Now to here, from this cross to here, and from this end to the cross, which is perfectly 3 centimeters. Now this is the perfect copy of this triangle. Now when we know two sides and the angle, we need to use protractor, compass and ruler. And here when we know the length of all the sides, we just have to use ruler and compass. This length here is 5 as the question, and this one is 3, this one is 7. We are about to draw an equilateral triangle and all the sides are 4 centimeters. The first step, draw the base, and it have to be, first thing, draw the base and it has to be 4 centimeters. Starting from 0 all the way to 4. Done. Now we cannot draw another 4 here until we use compass. Now we have to open the compass. We can use this line, the same length as this line, or it's better to use the ruler. 4 centimeters is right here. Yeah. Now place the needle here by the end of the line, and we have to mark an arc here, and then with the same 4 centimeters we're gonna mark another arc where they cross is the perfect point that we need to draw the equilateral triangle. Now let's join them. Now we got the equilateral triangle. Let's erase this extra edge here. Each side here is 4 centimeters because this is an equilateral triangle. How can we construct a rectangle, a perfect rectangle, which is 3 by 4? Let's construct this, and that will be the last question. Now to do this, just like the triangles, we start by drawing the base 4 centimeters. Done. And we need protractor to mark a perfect 90-degree angle, because as you know, rectangle has all the angles 90. Now this one will help us to draw the other sides perfectly. Again, you can use triangular ruler to mark the 90-degree angle. Then we need to mark a side 3 centimeters from 0. Now we need to mark 3 centimeters. On the other side, we have to mark another 90-degree angle, then another 3 centimeters, and finally we can just join these two sides and make sure it's only 4 centimeters. And we just constructed the perfect copy of this rectangle, which is 4 by 3. Comment below your questions. Thank you for watching.